Good morning, Coco Squad. Yep, I'm just in my hotel room right now in Boroma. I'm with the Somali Diaspora football team. We've just got a game today. Yesterday's game got cancelled because it actually rained, a hailstorm and really heavy rain. So we had to cancel the game yesterday. Today we have another game, but it's really windy, so we're not sure if we're going to play it as well. Then we've got another game in Gabili, so yeah, football. I'm doing everything I love right now, traveling and football. I'm going to be traveling around Somaliland, so I want to shout out some cable. I want to shout out Somali Diaspora football team. I want to shout out All Star Sports Academy. Thanks for this opportunity. Peace, blessings, ski. Let's get this.
Yes, lads. What's going on? Where are we going today, guys?
Boroma. We're in Boroma. We're going to Boroma Stadium.
Aye, come on. So I've been subbed. Well, I haven't been subbed. I came off, took myself off because I don't even know. I think I got a dead leg or a pulled muscle on my calf. We came here, we didn't even have time to warm up, and warm up is the most important thing in football. But right now, all the guys' score is 4-2. 2 easy goals they've scored. But we have 2 games today, or 2 games. It's gonna be mad. But I don't think I'm gonna play the Gabili game, which I'm a bit sad because I wanted to play every game. But these things happen. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. And yeah, welcome to Boroma. Peace, blessings.
Bye.
So we're just currently at Gabile for the second football match of the day. This is our second one. We had one at 8 o'clock. Now we have another one at 4 o'clock kickoff. This is my boy from
Inshallah maanta waxa weeyaan waa gobolka Gabiley caasimadiisa Gabiley waxaanu ka ciyaarnaa Mufarax Stadium waxaan leenahay dhammaan asxaabta soo dhawaada diaspora Somaliland aad baan ugu soo dhaweynaa wadankiina proud you welcome to Somaliland
Hassanat Walal inshallah. So you know I didn't even know this was Mufarax Stadium. So yeah, basically let's get this guys. Peace, blessings. The boys proper warm-up. If I didn't video it, actually I should have videoed it while I was giving them a warm-up. I was too concentrated on giving them a warm-up. Now they're sweating, to be honest. Last warm-up we didn't have time, so that's why I pulled the muscles. So I wanted to make sure no one else injured themselves, and that's one of the reasons why I came here, is because to be like their fitness coach, personal trainer, you know, to make sure they're all good. But of course, since I'm a footballer, I might as well play. But it looks like I'm going to be out with my injury, which is, I'm a bit gutted, but what can we do? These things happen, you know what I mean? I wish the guys all the best with this game. Come on guys, bring the cup home today. Peace, blessings. Half time right now, 1-1 the score is. The Gabile team scored first, then the Somali diaspora football team scored second. We're playing really good. To be honest, I think we can win it. We just need to get our tactics right, and because we played 2 games, our players are tired. You know, shout out to my boy Etego still. He looks tired out there, but you know, he's still giving it all he can, you know what I mean?